them. Don't all walk out. Moo. That's Lacey. Moo. Do that one again. Moo. That's Kathy Bill. That's right. Trisha. Rylan.
Perfect score. Perfect score. She knows, she knows.
That's funny.
Who went first?
Yeah.
Yeah, you go.
Squeaky Pete.
What can we think of
How
now?
about clicking the fingers?
No.
Farting.
No, your Razor would win that one. No, you can't guess someone's fingers. You've got to make
What
it
about
noise.
whistle?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, we're
No one
sorry.
practice.
Just a whistle, don't practice. No, well,
You can't because you know you.
what? Okay.
Kathy Bill. No. Claire from Steps. Kathy Bill. Lacey. Razor.
Go on then.
You thought I was Rachel Smith. And you thought Claire was Kathy.
Who did that?
Trish.
Not me, I was Claire.
That
I did
was-
that one.
You said you was Claire.
Whistle, you can't judge
Yeah.
a whistle.
Do the whistle
Got me
good.
right though.
It's too hard,
Whistle
that.
while you work.
I thought you thought Rachel Smith.